always been on my bucket list to learn how to ride a motorcycle. I've never done it. I've never even sat on a motorcycle, so I'm taking a course at Saddleback College to see what it's all about, see if it's right for me, if it's as cool as I think it is in my brain. Yeah. I'm so excited, it's way too early, but yeah, we don't know where we're going, but we're gonna figure this out. Unicorn shirt. Be yourself. Unless you could be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit anxious. I woke up really early and I'm not a morning person, so I was in a little crappy mood, but we're doing this, so I'm getting pumped up. I'm gonna get excited once I start hearing things about motorcycles, and yeah, let's find the classroom. Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
My name's Yegi. I'm from Burbank.
So how's your experience going so far?
So much information, great information, the instructors did amazing, but a lot of information if you don't know anything about it. I would recommend maybe read a little, do more research before you sit in on it so it doesn't feel so overwhelming because there's so much new information, but it was great overall. I just have a headache and I'm really hungry. I feel like it's been a long day, so definitely I would also recommend get good rest the night before and have snacks. Here we are on our, break.
What's up, guys?
Got my camera crew. Yeah. Gotta fuel up before we ride. Yeah.
Yegi's Beth? Yeah. Fantastic. Everyone's name I just called, you're going to be over the right.
Good.
It's easier than I thought. Way easier than I thought. They walk you through baby steps, so it's really, really cool. I thought it'd be a lot harder, but I don't know if they gave me a baby bike or what, but easier than I thought. It's a little hard to get it to smoothly start and smoothly stop, but it's not that hard.
So you fell?
I fell.
Twice?
Well, I fell fully once, second time I almost fell, and the third time I wobbled.
That's-
Shifting gears and keeping track of what gear you're in is really difficult, at least for me, because my brain is telling me to do 10 things. My motor skills are not built yet for the motorcycle, so I can't focus on am I shifting, am I braking, am I clutching, so I fell a little.
So how did you feel when you fell? Is that the biggest thing? Did it kind of like shock you to get back on the bike?
Well, yeah, of course, I was more scared to try to get on it and just have to forget about it. And I felt bad because it's not my bike. I don't want to ruin somebody else's bike. But I got a souvenir. A broken piece of
My God. Wait, so what was the reason that you fell? I'm just curious.
Yeah, I turned too quickly while I was braking. That's what told me. When are you going to get on the bike?
Never. Answer that now. I'm never gonna get on a bike. I'll get on a ding ding bike, but not one of these. Like with the bell on it. So, I just finished. I don't know if you could tell from my makeup, but everything's melted off. And I'm so exhausted. This was way too much. Well, maybe I didn't sleep too much, and we chose a location that was a little far from our house. So I only slept like 3-4 hours at night. That could be a problem. So make sure you get good rest. And we wanted to come here early to set up for the recording. But class started at 8, and now it's, what time is it?
4:20.
It's 4:20, and it's literally been non-stop, like a lot of information. If you've never done this, or if you don't know any information, a lot of information in the beginning, and then as you're riding again, it's a lot. It was amazing. I learned a lot. I was actually able to ride, even though I tipped over twice. Well, once really tipped over, second time I kind of caught it. But I would definitely probably do a 3-day class that's shorter. It felt really long. I think normally I have a lot of energy, but if I got really tired by the end of it, I just kind of wanted to be like done the last maybe 40 minutes. Maybe I would recommend a 3-day class that's shorter, not a weekend class that's full on from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah. I'm just so tired. I can't even imagine how tired I am, honestly. Like, and I think I was tense too because I was nervous. My shoulders are really tense. But overall, it was great. I think I did better than I expected. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to ride the first day, but I was able to, with a little bit of a challenge. But the instructors are great here. They actually walk you through baby steps, and even somebody that's never ever been on a bike, even as a passenger, I was able to actually roll. Yeah, well, that's it for day 1. I have one more day tomorrow. I am gonna be here again 7:45 a.m. sharp. I will let you guys know how it is. Now I'm gonna go eat like a fat ass, and I need to shower like 10 showers because I'm sweating so much. Bye. Hi guys, it is day 2 of the motorcycle theory or learning and riding section. I'm so tired, so tired, but I'm ready. I'm excited. We just finished the written portion, or I don't know, the classroom portion. Learn everything I can about the theory of motorcycles. Took a little exam. I passed. I got 92%, which is exciting. Yeah. Now the next step is actually getting on that bike again. My body is so sore. So we'll get on the bike again, and today I think we're gonna swerve a little or learn how to do that. We'll see how that goes. But very tired. I hope I can keep up. Oh, one thing else I learned is if you're taking this trainer courses, you don't actually have to take the riding portion of the test at the DMV. You can just take the written test, and like the permit test or the written test, and you pass that, and then you can just go ahead and get licensed. You don't have to retest at the DMV if you're taking these courses, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, well,
I will see you guys on the road.
How's your second day going?
Good. Tired.
So, you ready to be done? You guys ready to be done? Yeah.
They're all ready to pass the test. I don't know about me though.
What does the test consist of? Like, do you guys have to do circles? I don't understand.
Same thing as we were doing.
Well, cool. You guys sound like you're having a super sick, crazy, wild time. You feel like you're prepared?
No.
Do you feel like you're gonna start a biker gang with all these people?
Possibly.
You nervous?
No. It is what it is. We'll see what happens. I mean, I want to pass, but if I don't, then gotta do it again. So whatever.
And sometimes it takes a little more than 2 days.
Woo! I failed!
Really?
But we are gonna try again. Well, I think I need more practice. I was not too comfortable with it. Yeah, I'm a little sad, but it's okay. We failed, we learned from it. And I'd rather fail and redo it again. But the cool part is they do let you redo it for free. So you can just come and get more hands-on practice. And then try again. So I know I need more practice, and it was my first time ever getting on it. So I don't mind. I'm actually appreciated because then now I can come back and I don't even have to pay and just get more practice while an instructor watches me. So it's actually kind of a good thing.
So do you think you're gonna wait a while until you get back on the bike, or do you
No,
do you want to get it done?
recommended to do it as soon as possible so you don't forget, because it's building that motor skill so you don't forget what you've learned. They recommended to even do it like right next week. I'll let you guys know how the other part goes, but overall great experience. Yeah, when you fail, try again, right? But I honestly don't look at it as failing. I feel like I'm not, to me, it just means I'm not ready to be on the road, which I do agree with and feel that I'm not ready to go on the road. So I appreciate that I'm gonna come back and practice some more until I'm safe to go on the road. Bye!